Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you here a short clip taken from a long video, 56 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The clips in themselves give you a taste of the kind of analysis that I do, but to be frank, you are missing out on a lot of insights and the comprehensive big picture analysis that I'm doing through this video, plus many charts that go with this video. You can have access to all that, plus another 5 fresh videos as they are being recorded in the coming week for just $9.99. If you like further details, please stay on after the clip ends and I'll talk to you again. Other than that, have a great weekend. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I suspect that the big news to dominate in the next few weeks is likely to be the US dollar. I think that if the wave counts that I am working with are going to turn out in the direction that I think, we are going to have a sharp devaluation in the dollar in the next beginning in the next few weeks. That will definitely grab some headlines. Bonds, I think, for now stopped falling, and it is quite possible that they are now preparing a base for a continuation of the correction that has been going on now for several days. Stock markets remain firm, and that's all I can say. The trend looks pretty strong. I'll take a look at some interesting situation with some commodities. Some of them may have topped and might generate quite sharp falls. So here are the charts that I've got. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Swiss franc, British pound US dollar, British pound Japanese yen, gasoline, gasoil, light crude, Brent crude, silver, euro bond, USD bond, the S&P 500 cash, the OX, that's the S&P 100 cash, the S&P 400, that's the mid-cap cash index, and then I'll have a look at the DAX, at coffee, sugar, bean oil March 2011, and soybeans March 2011. This is Gasoil, and in Gasoil we had a pattern, and I was calling it perfect and then near perfect, and now it's becoming ambiguous. That's the daily going back into October. And that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Is that the fourth wave ending here, or it's still ongoing? Or if it ended here, do we have a top here? I'm not sure. Look at the momentum here, but the really worrying sign here for the bulls is what happened here. I want to show you in detail here. That's the 60 minutes. Now look, we thought that the fourth wave ended here. Remember, we had it as an A, B, C, D, E. Looked perfect. I was looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4 go up. Well, boom. Not just boom down, but in fact pretty serious. We could actually argue that we've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 legs down. Either we had a 1, 2, 3, 4 failure top, in which case, indeed, the fourth wave ended here, and this is just the end of the run, and we already started going down. I'm leaving the possibility that the triangle here, the fourth wave, is not over. If it holds the flow here, it keeps bouncing up and down in this region. It is just about possible that the fourth wave is just prolonging and it will rally higher. This is not a very clear situation as far as I'm concerned. I am not touching it. I'm not getting close to trying to take sides here. But I do think that if it breaks under 845, I advise you strongly not to think of staying long oil. In no shape or form, even stocks, I think that they'll begin to correct pretty seriously. That's light crude. Let me see. Let's go back to the big picture here. Now again, this is a big picture here going back to May 2007, and that's an idea. I'm going to watch carefully how it develops. If it delivers, then we run with it. It doesn't deliver, we just don't work with it. I've got this as an A, first shot down. That's an A, that's a B, that's a C. That appears to me very much as a struggling rally. This one didn't make it. It just runs slightly above 50% of the entire drop. This is one of the weakest markets in the energy sector. There is a case that it may have actually topped. If this A-B is correct, can you imagine? Brent crude is plunging back to the lows of 2008. What that's going to cause to all the related market? Absolute havoc. This is something you really want to keep an eye on. I don't have very high confidence in this. How can I put it? I am. This is a wave count that I consider really very seriously, but I don't have the level of confidence that comes when you see an extremely clear wave count. I think this is possible. The last thing I want you to get caught in a sharp drop style 2008 and not be prepared. This is something that we should try hard to not to fall in such a trap. And take a look. That's the daily now going back to September. There is a whole mess here. You see no clear wave count here. There is a whole mess. What is clear is that the very last shot came out of an ABC. And this one, if you remember, I detected this. And I just didn't know that it's going to do it so quickly. But here you go. Touch the top. Reverse down. But not just in any old fashion. It reversed down in 5 legs. I can make a case that I've got here 5 legs. And moreover, I think that we might be looking here at a correction. If I'm right on that, next time light crude coming to break 84 just under the floor here after delivering an ABC, this will become an extremely highly dangerous arena for the bulls, and would definitely project an extended bearish move to the downside. Let me take you to the 60 minutes. And that's what I'm talking about. You see the 1, 2? We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 3, that's a 4, that's a 5. The 5 ended here or here, I don't know. If the 5 ended here, we may have seen actually the entire correction behind us. It's already looking lower. Anytime you see Brent crude coming down to break 84, breaking 84 impulsively, we might be in a third wave. Just stand aside. If you have thoughts of going long, that'll be a bad idea in my opinion. Take a look at prices. Sugar. I think I can make a case that the rally that began for me, that's the daily, going back to May, roughly, yes, May. I think the rally that began from here most likely ended. Momentum is saying that, the price structure here says that. I think that we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, that's likely a fourth wave, tiny fourth, and a continuation of this move down towards 26 will give us clean 5 legs down, something we can build on. We get that, and it'll go much lower. That'll be an excellent entry point. Inverse head and shoulders, sell it right here for a continuation of the move. If you like some further information about my website, my services, all you have to do is click on home at the page which you are right now. That takes you to the home page of my website. I have a page on Twitter. You are welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy terms of use These are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product, where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs 79 euro only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put on in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly it's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download the full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links, speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.